Alright, today I am going to walk you through the SIMBA ordering process. So this would be how you would order your supplies for your buildings through general stores on Shop OnLion. The first thing we need to take a look at before we even start is you either need to have a hardwired connection or you need to be connected to the VPN if you're using Wi-Fi. And to do that, you click the little caret icon at the bottom and you click on the world icon here with the little red X, and you are going to click on connect. Now when you do that, it is going to prompt you to sign in using your Penn State password. So now I'm just going to type in my password and I'm going to click on sign in. Of course, it's going to send me my push notification, and I will click accept. Alright, and as you can see, I am connected. Your connection has been secured. And again, you only need to do that when you are using Wi-Fi. If you do have a hardwired connection via your docking station, you do not need to be connected to the VPN. Next, I'm using Google Chrome. I do recommend that you use Google Chrome as your browser. It seems to work the best. We're going to go up to the search bar and type in simba.psu.edu and hit enter. And that is going to bring me to the SIMBA homepage. And we are going to log in. Again, VPN is needed if accessing from off campus. We're going to click sign in. And again, you will need to log in with your password. All right. Now you are going to be seeing this page and it has quite a few options on it, but we are going to go down to the purchasing section and click Shop OnLion. Going to bring up the next page here, and you are going to go up to requisitioning and click that tab. And we are going to go down to shopping cart, and we are going to click that link. It's going to open a new window, and now you will see this page, and this is really where we start to put in the information for the order. So we're going to click on set values right next to default settings. So set values, and that is going to bring up again another window, and we will click on account assignment. Now from here you will need to change your account assignment category to order. You want to change that from cost center to order. Now you will need to get your internal order number or your IO number and type that in where it says assign number. Now to find your internal order number, you can use this spreadsheet that you see here on the screen, and you will be able to find this spreadsheet in Microsoft Teams. So if you open your Microsoft Teams and go to OPP Custodial, over on the left hand bar, click on Custodial Programs, click on Files, down at the bottom you will see Supervisor Resources, SIMBA Ordering, Supervisor Training. You want to open that folder, and you will have the custodial budget numbers right here, and that will give you the spreadsheet that you just saw right here. So depending on what your district is, you will type in the IO number that goes with your district. I'm ordering laundry supplies, and I go through each district every time I order. So I'm actually in District 81 now. So I'm just going to copy that. And I'm going to go back to where it says assign number. And I'm going to Control V. You cannot right click and paste. You have to use the Control V shortcut, but that is going to enter the internal order number where it needs to go. Next, you will click on General Ledger Account. And again, going back to your custodial budget number spreadsheet, you will see right over here, common GL account numbers. There are way more GL accounts than the ones I have listed here, but these are the ones that seem to be used most for our ordering and custodial. As you can see, we have office supplies, custodial and housekeeping supplies, other needs for OPP, which covers all of your PPE, and building maintenance material, which covers your light bulbs. I am actually going to be ordering everything that falls under custodial housekeeping supplies. So again, I'm going to copy and come back over and paste. Now my account assignment is accurate. So I'm going to click on Delivery Address and Performance Location. The first thing I want to type in here is I'm going to click on the little double boxes under Name. That is going to bring up a search menu. Now I need to go back to my Teams folder, and under SIMBA Ordering Supervisor Training, you are going to see SIMBA Delivery Addresses. So I'm going to need to open that spreadsheet up, and this is what you will see. So I'm going to go to the building, and I am actually going to go down to the search and type in the building which you want the order to be delivered to. I am going to use Fox Hollow building. Click OK. And under location, you will see it says UP0469. So I'm going to go back to my order, and under the search, I'm going to put in capital UP 0469. Now you will obviously use the UP code for whichever building you want your order to be delivered to, and you're going to type it into the district and click on search. That brings up the Fox Hollow building, as you can see here from the description, and I'm just going to right click on that, and it is going to enter the address for me. Now you do need to put in the CO. I will put in my own name, and you do need a phone number. So use your phone number and your email. You need to have both of these filled out, or at the end of the order it's not going to work. So the floor is the first floor for me, and this is going to be the The floor and room will be the JA, or the location inside the building that you want it to be delivered to, and that information will be on your order sheet that the grade 9 hands back to you. And I'm going to have it delivered to 122A. Alright, so now I have the delivery address and performance location all filled out. You do not need a fax number, and you do not need a postal code or P.O. box. So I am done with this part, and I'm going to click on OK. Now I can get into the actual order. I'm going to go down to Add Item and right click, and I am going to go to Lion Marketplace and right click again. Now this is going to take me into the actual shopping center, if you will, and as you can see, there are plenty of different places that you can order from. For your building ordering, you will exclusively order from Penn State General Stores. As you can see, it's under the office and janitorial section. Click on that, and it's going to connect us to the punch-out site. Now you are on the main page of the ordering site, and from here you can go to search, and you can type in your order numbers up here and click enter, and that is going to take you to the actual page of what you're trying to order. It'll give you the full description, and a lot of times it'll give you a picture, and from there you can click on the quantity that you need and click add to cart. You can also, and what I would recommend for your orders, you can go up to the top here and see order by item, and you can actually just type in the item number right here and type in the quantity, and it's actually a much faster way to go through your order. You aren't going to get the full description, obviously, as you saw in the last with the last number, if you just type it in the search bar. But if you already know what you're ordering, because you typically order the same thing for most of your buildings, this is definitely the better way to do it. So you just type in everything that you need. Okay, and once you're done typing everything in, you will go down to add to cart. And it is going to give you a description of all of the items that you added to your cart. You can click continue shopping or click on check out. From here, you will get another list of everything that you ordered. Now come over to the top right and click proceed to checkout. Again, it's going to give you a subtitle here, or a subtotal, I'm sorry. Take this number and write it down on your order form. Make sure you remember that. It might not align with what your grade 9 gave back to you. So just keep track of the total for your budget purposes. And again, you're going to click up here in the top right and go return to SIMBA. Now, if everything goes according to plan, you will get an order form that looks like this. Everything looks good. There's no red errors. If you do have some red errors, you're going to have to go back and take a look at what you did. You can edit your order. You can go to details and you can edit the different lines. Sometimes it honestly is easier just to delete the order and start from scratch if something goes wrong, depending on what it is. The one big thing that could happen is the GL accounts. Sometimes you will order things for custodial from the custodial housekeeping GL, and you might put lights on there, and that will come from a different GL. So you will actually need to go in and edit the lines for the different GL. So you would need to go into your account assignment and you will need to switch out the GL. Fortunately for this one, I don't have to do that. Everything looks good, and I can go up here and click on order. And that is it. That order is in, and I will get an email through my Outlook email whenever it is approved, and I will get a shipment notification as well. And that is how you put in an order. That's all there is to it. So I hope that you found this useful, and have a great day.